Billy? ¿Qué pasa?
Pablo, where have you been? You aren't late.
What do you mean I'm late? We don't have plans, do we?
Well, maybe you don't, but I do. I'm starving. Voy a la cafeteria.
Much as I always enjoy eating, I was going to work out first. Voy al gimnasio.
Oh, come on, Pablo. I don't want to eat alone. Why do you have to work out first?
Because, Billy, I am on a mission to get super buff, super fast.
Oh, brother. Hey, Toña, Toño. What's up? ¿A dónde van? Hi there. We've got to study. Vamos a la biblioteca. You don't need to study. Come to the cafeteria with me. No, do not tempt us. We have a test. We have to study. Vamos a la biblioteca. Okay, I get it. So, looks like today it's lunch for one.
Poor Billy. Make sure you leave some food for us.
Don't count on it.